miya or falafel. Bean cakes. A main dish from Egypt. Serves you will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Soak beans overnight. Step 2. Drain and mince with dill, coriander, onions, garlic, parsley, and leek. Step 3. Add spices, seasoning, and sodium bicarbonate, then knead. Step 4. Let stand at room temperature for about 1 hour. Step 5. With a wet spoon or wet fingers, scoop a small amount and shape into flat discs about 2 inches in diameter and 3/4 inch thick. Step 6. Sprinkle one side with sesame seeds and deep fry in sizzling oil until brown. Remove onto absorbent paper. Step 7. It is best eaten hot with tomato salad. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.